Hello, good afternoon. We are here at GiTEX 2022 in the E&D Enterprise section of the E&D booth in Dubai. So we are here showing the latest innovations for drones. So there was a time where people had to take a drone and fly it manually in the location. Then we passed to a second stage where these drones could do autonomous operations by defining the mission. And what we are showing here today is the latest stage of innovation where we have stations that eliminate completely the human factor. So what we have here is a station where the drone can sleep, where the drone can safely take off, and where the drone can safely land. So this kind of solution allows us to combine with autonomous operations in a way that we can distribute some of these stations all across the city or a vast area, and then we can send autonomously the drone that is closer to the action, closer to incident, closer to a inspection, or closer to a surveillance incident. So what we are trying to showcase here to our customers is that they can deploy a network of stations with drones inside so that they can run completely autonomous operations using drones for different purposes. So we hope this technology will be soon be widely adopted and implemented, not only in the UAE but in the region, and we hope that our customers will enjoy the solution and have multiple opportunities coming soon.